Hello and welcome to this mega episode of FBB Femina में Miss India 2014. लास्ट एपिसोड में आपने देखी वो बिहाइंड द कर्टन प्रिपरेशन जिसने इन फाइनलिस्ट्स को दिया एक मौका टू परफेक्ट एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ देयर पर्सनालिटी एंड एज दे गियर अप फॉर द क्राउनिंग मोमेंट कुछ सब कॉन्टेस्ट्स ने बनाया इनके पेन अल्टीमेट मोमेंट्स को और भी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड श्योरली फुल ऑफ लर्निंग्स. लेट्स टेक अ लुक.
Now we're gonna judge the Palladium Hotel Femina Miss Congeniality contest. And the criteria for that is to choose the most popular girl amongst you all.
Now we're going to go with the sub-contest, Richfield Femina Miss Beautiful Hair. The judging parameters for which are thickness, luster, shine and quality of hair. Now we're going to be judging the Monarch Femina Miss Lifestyle, and the contestants are going to be judged on the basis of their knowledge on contemporary luxury brands.
Today we are judging the Neutrogena Femina Miss Healthy Skin.
The judging parameters for this sub-contest are their skin tone, the radiance and the Neutrogena Dermat check that took place.
Now we will judge FBB Femina Miss Fashion Icon. Parameters for this would be personal style quotient and their creativity.
Now we are judging FBB Femina Miss Vivacious. The judging parameters are fun-loving, vibrant, energetic, spirited.
What's the thought process behind this look that you've put together today?
I think that it depicts the modern woman in a way, and I'd like the future to look like this.
Now we'll be judging FBB Femina Beauty with a Purpose. The parameters of judging would be the authenticity, genuineness of the idea, and how convincing you are on the stage.
The topic that I've picked up is women's security, for the reason that I don't feel secure about myself in this country.
One child dies every 7 seconds due to lack of access to clean water. Every wound has a scar, and every scar has a story to say. A story of I have survived.
My contribution to achieving, to eradicating poverty through education would be to start off small.
We actually are not promoting love in this world. India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition.
हर सुबह हम उठते हैं, जाते हैं काम पे और रास्ते पे कुछ बच्चे बैठे होते हैं. हमारा ध्यान उन पे नहीं जाता है. उन 10 बच्चों को लेकर कुछ करते हैं उनके लिए. उसके बाद आप उन्हीं 10 बच्चों को गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में ले जाते हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो सकती है.
Now we go to the main part of the competition, which is the Miss Iron Maiden competition.
Miss Iron Maiden is about the last girl standing. We're going to start with simple exercises.
Okay.
Ready?
Everybody up.
Come on, come on, come on. Running with your bicep curls. Come on.
You know, we are here for the Miss Iron Maiden contest, and we really have worked out a special program for the girls. Miss Iron Maiden contest, which is named by us as the last girl standing. And that too is going to be very, very grueling, and you'll really see how the girls progress from a group of 24 to maybe 23 and 22 to the last girl standing.
And now we go into high knees. High knees. Up, 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 up.
We're asked to do individual exercises. All 24 of us started with very basic exercises, and as the intensity increased, girls started falling down, and eventually it was a very, very gripping ending, and there were 3 girls who were just not ready to give up.
standing. Last two, the two of you.
So we are left with two girls. It's been very exciting. Everyone's got this really competitive spirit. And these two girls are just going for it. And now we've got something really killer prepared for them. So let's see how they go. They are all ready to take the title of Miss Iron Maiden.
Hold, yes. This is really going to be the last one standing. Yes, all the way down. Come on.
On your back straight.
Well done.
Hats off to Deepti, Sati who won, and I think it was a very exciting session, and congratulations.
Welcome girls to Yamaha Ray Femina Miss Adventurous. You have to start from this point on your scooter. There are little scooters placed everywhere with flags on them. You're supposed to drive there, pick up the flag, collect all the 4 flags and come back to this point again. And the girl who does it in the shortest amount of time wins this sub-contest. So good luck and let's go. Well, the contestants have had a fantastic time riding the scooters all over in this sub-contest. And now we need to wait till the day of the crowning to find out who won the Yamaha Ray Femina Miss Adventurous.
We're now judging PCJ Femina Miss Timeless Beauty. The judging parameters for this contest is, we've obtained the pictures of the girls from childhood till now. So we want to see which one has transformed really well. Can we have contestant number 1, please?
Whoa! Every finalist has stepped up in her game क्योंकि हर सब contest से उन्हें मिली एक golden opportunity to fine-tune them for the big day. For now, झलक रही है सभी की आंखों में वो winning instinct. Let's see who steals the sub contest tiaras. बस एक छोटे से break के बाद. Welcome back. आपने देखा कैसे every finalist has traveled miles to the coveted crowning glory. कुछ finalists को मिलेगा एक trailer of that tiara moment. Let's head to sub-contest crowning ceremony. Welcome to FBB Femina Miss India 2014 sub-contest crowning event. So without further ado, let me take this opportunity to welcome our 24 finalists for the round, which truly symbolizes their core essence and their roots. It's none other than the National Costume Round. और इससे पहले कि मिस इंडिया कंटेस्टेंट्स का मैजिक begins to cast its spell, आपको ले चलते हैं to see the also sparkling crowns meticulously designed by PC Jewelers. Well, top 3 beauties of India deserve करती हैं all the detailing and attention, don't they? इसीलिए इन sparkling crowns को unveil करने आई none other than the reigning Miss India 2013. We are sure our beauties are waiting to get their hand on these crowns, but the chase for the beauty and talent is still on. INIFD Femina Miss Talented की top 6 finalists performed in front of our esteemed judges to prove that it's not just their beauty but that complete package of talent that helps them win hearts. Let's see किसका unusual gift of talent हमारे judges के दिलों को जीतता है. right, it's none other than the sub-contest crowning, so let me not build up the suspense any further and cut it straight through the chase. First up is the FBB Femina Miss Fashion Icon. And to do the honors, can I request Mr. Vishal Kapoor, Business and Concept Head, FBB, Mr. Akshay Mehrotra, Chief Marketing Officer, Big Bazaar, and Shobita Doipala, Miss India Earth 2013, to please join us on stage. The FBB Femina Miss Fashion Icon goes to Janti Hazarika. Next is the FBB Femina Miss Vivacious. To do the honors, can I request Mr. Devendra Chawla, CEO, Food Bazaar, and Mr. Krishna Thingabajam, Head Designer, Future Lifestyle Fashion, and also Ankita Shori, Miss India International 2011. The FBB Femina Miss Vivacious goes to Tenity Jogabhanu. May I request Mr. Ganesh Bangalore, GM Marketing Neutrogena, and Navneet Kaur Dillon, Miss India World 2013, to join us on stage. The Neutrogena Femina Miss Healthy Skin goes to Koyal Rana. I request Mr. R.K. Sharma, Executive Director, PC Jewelers, and Zoya Afroz, Miss India 2013, second runner-up, to join us on stage. And the PCJ Femina Miss Timeless Beauty goes to Gail Da Silva. May I request Mr. Roy Kurian, VP Marketing, Yamaha India, and Gurleen Grable, Miss Diva 2013, second runner-up, to join us on stage. And the Yamaha Ray Femina Miss Adventurous goes to Yoshiki Sindhar. May I request Dr. Sonal Shah from Richfield, and also Mansi Moghe, Miss Diva 2013, to join us on stage. And the Richfield Femina Miss Beautiful Hair goes to Nikhila Nandagopal. May I request Abhishek Malik, General Manager, Palladium Hotel, and also Vanya Mishra, Miss India World 2012. And the Palladium Hotel Femina Miss Congeniality goes to Arpita Kaur. May I request Mr. Dilip Pamudadenia, Head of Brand Marketing, Cinnamon Hotels and Resorts, and once again Shobita Doipala, Miss India International 2013. The Cinnamon Femina Miss Active, Nikhila Nandagopal, double whammy this evening. I request Mr. Hasmukh Thakur, MD, Monarch Universal, and Natasha Suri, Miss India World 2006, to please join us on stage. And the Monarch Universal Femina Miss Lifestyle goes to Sahitya Jagannathan. May I request Miss Ritu Kochar, Director, INIFD, and Mansi Moghe, Miss Diva 2013, to once again join us on stage. INIFD Femina Miss Talented, Dipti Sate. Hearty congratulations to all our sub-contest winners, totally deserving. And now it's time to give our magical 24 a teaser of their glam, gorgeous diva look. They are sure to make many hearts flutter. Let's see the fashion scoop they got from FBB and A-list cocktail gown gurus Gaurav Gupta and Malini Ramani.
The gowns that I've done for Miss India are very kind of sexy. They are a bit Grecian, very Gaurav Gupta, very much in my brand philosophy.
I've got lots of bright neon colors mixed with black. I've made it look really fun, and the rest you'll see coming up.
Well, एक तरफ finalists हैं all set to make heads turn, वहीं दूसरी तरफ preparations for a glitzy evening are going on in full swing. So आपको लेकर चलते हैं for a peek into all the backstage buzz, the immaculate preparations for the red carpet moment and lots more right after this break.
Well, I can definitely say it's a beautiful flashback for me क्योंकि आज finally वो दिन आ ही गया है जिसके लिए हमारी beautiful 24 girls कर रही है मेहनत दिन रात. As you can see, तैयारियां बहुत ही जोरों शोरों से चल रही है to make this evening even a special one. Woo, the girls are here and they look all set to razzle the ramp. क्योंकि उनकी मिस इंडिया बनने की ख्वाहिश का ये अल्टीमेट पड़ाव है. I'm sure they won't leave any stone left unturned. तो चलिए सीधे चलकर उन्हीं से जान लेते हैं कि कौन से ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स उन्हें बनाएंगी आज ब्यूटी क्वींस.
We have all different contestants with different skin tones and different hair textures. So what we've actually come in conclusion is to do fresh, beautiful faces for everybody. So not too harsh, but just a lot of contouring on the eye and keeping it rather soft. Not too hectic, not very dark eyes, but really nice and glamorous makeup. And a nice deep coral mouth. And hair is also going to be individually styled for everybody. So depending on what the cuts they have and the color they have, we're going to style it accordingly.
Time's flying, so hopefully it like slows down a little so we have time to prepare ourselves.
We've been trained by the best and let's just see how it goes. Contestant number 1, the pressure is on.
When I came 2 hours back, I was feeling confident, but now I can feel the butterflies in my stomach.
It truly is the beginning and it's also a milestone in all our lives, I believe, because from here, sky's the limit.
I'm just looking forward to go on the stage and set it on fire.
Well, FBB Femina Miss India 2014 की ये blistering evening यादगार होने वाली है ना ही सिर्फ हमारे 24 finalists के लिए बल्कि उन सभी के लिए who have come to witness this magical moment. और इस शाम को 4 चांद लगाने आए हैं the who's who from the world of fashion, glamour and Bollywood. What do you think about Femina Miss India 2014 pageant?
Well, I think Femina Miss India is most respected and most looked up to.
Whether it was 2000 or it's 2014, we get the best women out of the country and that's the best thing.
हिंदुस्तान की सबसे खूबसूरत लड़कियां यहाँ पे देखने को मिलती हैं.
I think it's wonderful that young ladies are given a platform to present who they are, their personalities.
I know a lot of people dream of being in the pageant and winning. I'm really excited that I can be part of the judging panel.
What would be your message to them for tonight?
Just be yourself and have confidence in being yourself.
Just be confident and give your best.
Be honest, be straightforward, be yourselves.
Do you think we'll get the international crown back this year that we've been rooting for so long?
I've seen a few of them and I think we have a very fair chance.
Actually, very, very good contenders for the international pageant and I'll be so happy if one of them could win one.
Of course we will.
Fingers are crossed. Femina Miss India, all the best and do well.
I wish all the contestants all the luck in the world and rock it today.
Be confident, be yourself and give your best.
Just look beautiful and don't be nervous.
Wind to your wings, light to your path and dreams to your heart. All the very best and smile.
It's your boy Yo-Yo Honey Singh, wishing all the best for all the gorgeous brown girls in the house for Femina Miss India. Peace out.
Well, the night is all set to rock. The clock is ticking क्योंकि FBB Femina Miss India 2014 pageant पहुंच चुका है to its pinnacle. Very soon 3 contestants will be on top of this world. By now आप भी आपकी favorite contestant चुन चुके होंगे. So wish them luck. You can catch the grand finale of FBB Femina Miss India 2014 on 13th April at 7 p.m. only on Colors. For now, I'm Sagrika signing off. You stay tuned to Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.